Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business marketing graphic using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and choose the Posterize adjustment because this marketing graphic needs bold, stylized impact. I duplicate my background layer to work safely. I carefully adjust Posterize levels, pausing to watch how the colors and tones transform. Business visuals require calm control and hierarchy. Some areas appear flat, so I mask selectively to preserve key information. I zoom in to refine edges and smooth transitions. I pick colors deliberately to highlight business offers or features. I add